Horton Plains was designated as a national park in 1988. It is situated on the southern plateau of the Central Highlands of Sri Lanka. It occupies an area of 31 kilometres squared at an elevation of 2,100 to 2,300 metres. It has a rich biodiversity in its grasslands and cloud forest habitats. Although it has attractive flowers, the blue star has become an invasive species in Horton Plains. It is originally from Central and Southern Africa. It is an evergreen perennial with grass-like leaves. Aloe arborescens comes from South Africa and is often used for ornamental planting. Early jessamine is another ornamental species, originally from Mexico. It is a gangly evergreen shrub. The Indian rhododendron was seen in many locations in Sri Lanka. This particular example had a good show of flowers. Its fruit contains blue pulp and orange seeds, which are exposed when the berry ripens and splits. The passion fruit is native to South America. It is a perennial vine and cultivated for its fruit. There are yellow-fruited and purple-fruited varieties. The barberry is endemic to Sri Lanka and is listed as vulnerable. It can reach 3 metres in height or even higher, and the stems have 1 to 2 centimetre long spines. Gorse has become a major invasive species in Horton Plains since it was introduced to Sri Lanka. It outcompetes native species and also increases the risk of fire hazards. It has no edible fruit and thorns and is not eaten by any native wildlife. Osbeckia parvifolia grows in grasslands and open places, along roads and among rocks. Its flower usually has 4 pink petals. The Mexican fleabane, as its name suggests, is native to Mexico and parts of Central America. It is a vigorous spreading perennial plant with woody rhizomes. This critically endangered endemic species is an aquatic geophyte. It has submerged leathery leaves and an inflorescence that grows up to 18 centimetres long. Commonly known as Indian wintergreen, this species is endangered in Sri Lanka. The shape and size of the leaves can vary greatly based on its habitat. An essential oil is extracted from the leaves, used in perfumes, hair oil, and in medicines. This epiphytic fern species grows in the Indian subcontinent. Hedyotis trimenii is a scrambling shrub found in India and Sri Lanka. It has interesting white flowers with 4 petals that are covered in hairs. The oval-leafed bramble, or false blackberry, is a member of the rose family. It is a thorny shrub with small white flowers followed by yellow-orange berries. Although it is native to Sri Lanka, it has become a major invasive species in other areas where it has been introduced. This species occurs in India, Nepal and Sri Lanka, and was described in 1836. It grows from a corm with distinctive leaves and stripy hooded flowers that are followed by berries. Coleus inflatus is an endemic species which grows up to 1.85 metres tall. It likes growing in partial shade, near streams, and can flower throughout the year. Impatiens leptopoda is an annual endemic that grows in highland mountain forests at over 1,200 metres above sea level, and enjoys moist conditions. This species is a geophyte with rhizomes. The leafy stems can exceed 3 metres in length, and it was observed in several locations. This is just one of the orchid species that was seen on this trail. The rest will appear in the next video. This particular species is epiphytic and is only found in central Sri Lanka. Despite the grass-like leaves, this species is not closely related to true grasses. It has a large native range across East, Southeast and Southern Asia, and grows from short rhizomes. This endemic shrub grows up to 2 metres tall in the Central Highlands. It is a monocarpic species, meaning it dies after flowering, which appears to happen in 12-year cycles. Many examples of this semi-parasitic epiphytic shrub were observed. It grows on host trees and its seeds are dispersed by birds that eat the fruits. It is a type of mistletoe. This endemic tree is found in the highlands. It has thick leaves to help withstand the cold climate and is able to regrow after forest fires. It has bunches of striking crimson flowers. The wild guava is native to southern and southeastern Asia. It is an evergreen shrub which can reach 4 metres in height. Its pink flowers are followed by purple edible fruits. Syzygium revolutum is a tree species in the same family as the wild guava and the clove. It can grow to 10 metres in height with a 2-metre girth. This species has common names including the Indian cranberry and cowberry. It is a small tree or shrub reaching up to 7 metres. Small bell-shaped pink or white flowers precede the fruit. Exicum walkeri is an annual species growing in central Sri Lanka in the partial shade. It has 5-petalled white flowers with stems reaching up to 60 centimetres in height. Osbeckia lanata is a freely branching shrub of up to 3 metres. It has small, tightly packed leaves and large mauve flowers.